It's being called a new hope in the fight against COVID-19. And today, the first person in North Carolina received that shot here at Atrium Health less than an hour after it was delivered.
So I just got my first COVID vaccine.
A monumental milestone in the fight against the coronavirus. Just before noon, the medical director of infection prevention at Atrium Health, Dr. Katie Pazzaretti, became the first North Carolinian to get the vaccine.
Couldn't be more excited. I feel perfectly fine. I've had no issues with the vaccine.
Photos show it arriving around 11:15 a.m. Atrium is one of the first hospitals in the country to receive the Pfizer vaccine. On Twitter, Governor Cooper called this a remarkable achievement for science and health. He's urging folks to continue wearing masks as health officials get as many people vaccinated as they can.
Tested, safe, and effective vaccines will be available to all, starting with those most vulnerable to the virus.
The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services directing people to its website, which outlines the 4 phases the vaccine will be distributed due to limited supply. Shots will be given first to frontline healthcare workers, followed by nursing home residents and adults most at risk for serious illness. Over at Novant Health Presbyterian in Charlotte, special freezers are arriving. Officials say they can store around 500,000 doses of the vaccine and more than 1 million doses frozen. Novant is expected to receive 7,000 doses from the state on Thursday. In South Carolina, nearly 43,000 doses are arriving between now and Wednesday. Several healthcare facilities are getting it directly from the federal government as healthcare workers are already receiving the shot that could help put an end to the pandemic.
Just a moment of hope, a moment of potential for change.
Yeah, more than 70,000 people participated in clinical trials for the vaccines, which were found to be safe and 95% effective against the virus. Now, coming up all new at 6, we're going to tell you how nursing homes are getting ready to receive the shipment of the vaccines. For now, reporting live in front of Atrium Health, Matt Grant, Fox 46.